Okay, what's up, my bossing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Alvin again ng Boy Bukas, Boy Box. And today's episode, I'm going to show you guys kung ano yung mga nahalungkat natin or my haul from the recent swap meet just around the neighborhood. So I got a tons of haul here. Usually the same guy that I got most of my Hot Wheels, but today he don't have much it, but most of the card and some comics. So okay, let's start now, my bossing. So
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
maybe I'll start here. Some of comics that I got. So I don't know. I just bought it. That's only what's too bad here is it's pretty big than comics, and maybe not so worth something. But I still, there's only $2. So yeah, so I buy it and let's see. Maybe somehow you guys, if you know something that's really worth something here, just let me know. That'd be great. So yeah, I only got this for only $2. There's no, like backboard or plastic in it. So maybe I'll get it next time. So yeah, so this one is pretty interesting. I don't know, but this looks good. But I just checked my what do you call it, eBay. I don't see any award something there. And this one, so I don't know if it is like so 91. What is 91 again? Is this a broadside? I don't remember. So got quite a bit of rub in here. So 105, 205, 305. And that's it. Yeah, I don't have the 405 and the 505, but still good. So some Wonder Woman here. On this one, 2010. Maybe another 2010 here, Wonder Woman. Okay, yeah, looks like it. It's October. And Wonder Woman. So yeah, okay, so just to show you guys kung gaano medyo kano na siya. Kadamage, but still got it. Anyway, only $2. And I think he, how many is this? 2, 4, 6. I think he only gave me this plus $5 something. Yeah, or just $5. Okay. So maybe $1, yeah. Sorry if I said $2. I think it's only $1. And then he gave it for $5, all of them. And this one, yeah. So something's cool, but I'm not too sure if it's a legit one. But yeah, I think I also got this for $5. There's no price here because the paint is. It's not so clear, so I don't know. So let me know, guys, what you do. Some collecting here too. So what you guys think? Yeah, I know I still see it on some Japanese like Ami, right? They're still selling it. This kind of design of toys for this character. Some of them just a model kit. So this one, yeah. So you guys will. Replacement head, something like that. Okay, but there's no more manual here, so I'm not too sure how this works. Okay, so there you go. Okay, so we got that one, and okay, okay, so this one I got another cool stuff here, I guess. Yeah, it's only for $5. This is a pretty cool release. It's really sealed and open. And this one is like something you can So you can see here. I don't know if you can see it here. So what's inside is you can transform it, right? Something like transform it to Optimus Prime as a robot. So that was pretty cool. So even I wanna open it, I'm still thinking about it because this is sealed. That will make, I guess, give more value on this one. And this one is pretty amazing. There you go. So, Ultraman. So let me see more here. So definitely it's a Japanese release. So I got $20, but I think he only gave it to me for $10. Yeah, so I got some. Yeah, so I think it's not really not too sure if this really what's inside here, right? Because of the how they call it, the spacer and the card. But so if you guys have it, please let me know if I got it really, what's really inside. If there's something special on this one. And yeah, I think there's still something inside here. Okay, there you go. That's the big card. I think this is really amazing. I love it. It's pretty cool. So it's 1996. I think it's really nice. So maybe in the other video I will try to show it to you guys one by one what's inside here. Okay, what are those cards? So, okay, Ultraman Heroes, 1974 to 2021 to arrive. Okay, so I guess it's 2021 release, 3rd anniversary. Yes. Okay, so I got getting more stuff here. Not sure if we get a good. Okay, as we continue. Okay, another basket of Star Wars card here for only $3. I don't know if it's something that's worth something here, but I still get it for $3. And yeah, so maybe another video I will try to show it to you guys. Everything here. And this one, some White Walker here. So it's from Funko, a Legacy Collection, Game of Thrones release. Not a toy. Okay, it's okay. That's good. Icon Collectibles, Europe, Japan distribution. Okay, so the series one. So these are those characters that want to complete it. They say it's a Legacy Collection, but so I think it's really good. Nice. White Walker. So that's a good one. And as part of this, it's the same store that I got this set of. Not too sure what kind of. So yeah, for $2 I got 5, so I grab it. It's a 5 lady. So those characters. Captain Phasma. So I think this is more like a punk. Oh yeah, this is a Funko bobblehead. So I just noticed. I think this. So yeah, very nice. They got battery here, so I think some power here, not just those things, but you can find the power buttons. And this one, so this the things I'm not too sure what are those things. So mostly it's, most of these are something like that. I think. Yeah, see? So, but yeah, that's cool. I think it's also from Funko. Yeah. Funko Toys, Star Wars. So yeah, see, another one like that. Please let me know guys kung para saan to, bakit meron siyang, you know, like how why there's like a hollow part here. Please let me know if you have this and what's the purpose of that. Please comment down below. Appreciate that. So yeah, so okay. Okay, this bubble head. Quality is not that good. Okay, let's get more. Okay, so I got more cards here. So this is a Magic Deck Master the Gathering. So yeah, so this kind of, you know, getting popular again. So I guess maybe I can get some lucky cards here. So I got another Pokemon. I think they say mostly like an energy. He just gave it to me because I grabbed all his Pokemon cards. Which I hope I get something special. So not too, because it looks like he's not too knowledgeable or much know about it. So I'll take my chance, man. So maybe I get lucky to get some good stuff there. And last but not the least, this one heavy cards, action pack, football cards. So 1990 edition, and this is still sealed. So not too sure what's special about this release, or nothing special maybe. He just gave it for $20. Yeah, so they got a collector's edition here. So I'm also not too sure if I can open it or not. So I've gotta maybe look more or study more about this, and let's see if this is something worth something, right? That will be nice to have and nice to collect. So there you go, my bossing. That's all my latest swap meet haul. So I think this will be like the end of the year toy haul. I mean like swap meet. So there's probably no more. And just wait for another year to get another swap meet just around the corner. And Toy-Con is also starting to think to, and that's it. So I think, yeah. So I will try to show you guys maybe, because we don't have much time, to some of the cards and try to open it and show you guys. Okay, there you go, my bossing. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode. Peace out.